What's up, guys? Well, I got the parts in for my second client build here. Or no, this would actually be the third, or let's see, 1, 2, 3. I think fourth or fifth. But anyway, got the parts in. This is going to be more of a low-end to decent mid-range gaming computer on the cheap, or at least my opinion of one. So let's get all this stuff out of the boxes here so we can take a look at it. So for a case, I decided to go with the Cooler Master 912 half. It should have excellent airflow, and it wasn't super expensive, but it wasn't, horribly cheap either. But so that's the case. So now we'll move on to the other stuff. So for a processor, I decided to go with an AMD Phenom 2 Black Edition X4 960T. I got this because it was cheap. It's a quad core at least. I was thinking about getting the Sandy Bridge dual core i3, but I just decided to get this because it was a little cheaper, and it has a possibility of being unlocked to a 6 core. So it won't be as fast, but gaming is not the only thing this computer is going to be doing. So I decided a quad core would be a little more helpful. For RAM, I went with the same RAM as I did for my last build because it worked great, and it was cheap and had great reviews and good feedback. So that's usually what I decided off of. If it's got great reviews, lots of reviews, and it's got good eggs, a Newegg, it's probably a good product. Now, I wanted to get an SSD, but the client wants storage over speed, and I can respect that. But this is a Seagate 1.5 terabyte hard drive. And then also for an external, we have an eSATA Phantom drive, 1 terabyte. And USB 2.0 as well, it does both. Just a LG DVD burner CD writer thing, nothing special there. Power supply. I decided to go with a Antec 550 because I really like Antec power supplies. That's what's in my first computer that I ever made, and it's still going. So yeah. And for a video card, I went with the AMD Radeon HD 6850. It seemed to be pretty much the best bang for the buck of all video cards under $200, in my opinion. And I don't have the motherboard yet, but I'll add that in as soon as I get it tomorrow. And you guys won't even have to wait because this is a video. Isn't that magical and awesome? And then for a motherboard here, we've got ourselves the ASRock 970 Extreme 3. Box looks literally almost identical to my P67 Extreme 4 motherboard box. Shows all the information there on the back here. But that pretty much covers everything now, I believe. Oh, and then I'm pretty sure in this little package is a AMD free gift, which is Dirt 3, which I might just let somebody have. I'm going to see if my friend wants it first, or if the client wants it first, and if either of them want it, then I'll probably give that away to somebody. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But now it's time for me to do a couple unboxing videos, so I'm going to get on that. So, till those videos, peace out, guys.